Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain a bee egg without having a pet bee in your garden in Grow a Garden. So basically, when you want to buy a bee egg, you'll need to wait for the honey traveling merchant. And in order to purchase the bee egg, you'll need to trade pollinated plants, and you'll get like honey in return, and the honey is used as a currency to purchase the bee egg. And obviously, if you want pollinated plants, you'll need the bee pet. So now there's actually a way to obtain it. You're just going to go to the Safari Harvest event. If you go to rewards, you might get a bee egg. There's a 2.12% chance that you'll get the bee egg. So basically, you just need to submit points, and hopefully you'll get the bee egg. It's not that hard to obtain it, honestly. I think I got it on like my second day of playing, well, on like contributing in the Safari Harvest event. But yeah, that's how you can get the bee egg without the bee pet, without the pollinated plants. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.